Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the one and only Nervos Network CKB price action exclusively. Let's dive right into it. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be going over CKB at the highest level, probably a higher level than anyone else is capable of, so you are in the right spot. Again, this is not financial or trading advice. CKB is down 2% on the day. We're still up a whopping 60% on the month. So what do you know about that? That's crazy. This is where we last left off, folks. I was kind of speculating that we might see some sort of pennant or flag, maybe something like that kind of form right around this 0.003621-ish level. You can see that price action has formed the pennant, just like I was speculating. I do think that we are seeing a little symmetrical triangle squeeze here. We're still above this 50% level, but I do think that price action is going to come down and test this 200. On the daily, I do think that. So here's where I think the 200 is going to kind of glide like this. We're going to see this 50 moving average maybe continue its little journey upwards. And when we look at these charts here, we need to first understand that there is very clear Elliott wave theory momentum to the upside. That is for sure. We can see this because we can just chart it out like I did. Now, the big question here is whether or not we get an ABC or an ABC retracement. You can see we got the symmetrical triangle. We're bleeding out red now. I do suspect that we could see price action maybe come down to test this 200 moving average. We might get a bump up to the 0.003987-ish level, and we could come back down to test it again. This is on the daily. I'm expecting maybe not exactly these numbers here, like up to the 0.003987. I'm expecting some sort of price movement similar to this on the daily. I think that price is going to check this 200, and I think eventually we're going to see price check this 50 moving average. Now, the other theory I have is that if price comes crashing through this 50% level, if price comes crashing through the 200% level, or the 200 moving average, I do think that we could see a scenario like this play out where we see price maybe move over and test this 382 and 50 moving average simultaneously going into the first week of February. Let's just look at this on the 15-minute chart because I'm kind of curious. I'm going to just kind of clear everything. Yeah. And like I was saying, there is this symmetrical triangle squeeze or this pennant pattern that is forming quite nicely. And this is squeezing so bad right now, folks, that it looks like on this 15-minute price, on this 15-minute chart, there could be several things going on here. It looks like there's some resistance around this 0.00392. We could maybe form some sort of ascending triangle and see price rip up to this 0.003853. But if we get rejected at this 50 moving average, prepare to see maybe some of those lower numbers that I was just kind of talking about. So it is what it is right now on the price on the charts. We got a symmetrical triangle squeeze. Nobody knows which way this thing's going to break out. But when we start to look at that whole Elliott wave theory and the retracement process of when assets move, when it comes to ABC, ABCDE corrective waves, I think it's likely that we will see just a little bit of a retracement from here. I hope I'm wrong. I'm hoping everybody's coin and bags pump to the moon. We'll see you guys all in the next video.